let me show you how to change Yahoo Mail back to the classic view. So across the top here you should see a message saying revert back to classic view. If you don't panic, it's still available. Come up to the little cog here in the top right hand corner. This is your settings. Now you want to come down to more settings. Then on the left hand side you want to look towards the bottom and you should see switch to basic mail. Select this. Now you don't need to fill any of this detail in, you just need to select switch to basic mail. You can give feedback if you want, however I'll just select switch to basic mail. And there you go, we've successfully changed Yahoo Mail back to the classic view. And there you can see at the top right hand corner you can switch to the standard version of Yahoo Mail. However, if you want to stick on the classic view, here we are. So hopefully that helps you out how to change the Yahoo Mail back to the classic view. If it does, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more helpful videos like this one.